Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Eats. And today I'm going to help you prepare for Superbowl Sunday with 3 easy recipes to snack on while you watch your team either win or lose come February 9th. Come on, let's get started. We got a game to watch. For our first dish, we're taking a nice twist on a classic buffalo chicken dip, but today we're making buffalo chicken egg rolls. In our egg rolls, we have ranch, we have our spring roll pastries, we have cheese, cream cheese, of course Frank's Red Hot, and obviously our chicken. And today we're gonna pair it with a miso ginger honey glaze. Miso, ginger, and honey, and it's super easy to make. Let's go. Into a mixing bowl, we'll go in with 8 ounces of cream cheese, a cup of ranch, 3/4 cup of Frank's. Sprinkle in your cheese and mix that all together until everything's fully incorporated. Now let's get started on our chicken. Flip your chicken onto a cutting board. And get ready to spread them legs. With a sharp knife, run it down the middle of the chicken in between the breast meat and separate. And don't forget the other side. Don't forget the chicken wings too. And shred that chicken like you're gonna get shredded for the summer. Once you're done shredding your chicken, set it to the side in another mixing bowl. Mix your chicken and buffalo sauce together while you admire your handiwork. Add a spoonful of your mixture onto your wrapper and tuck in the sides of the wrapper like you're tucking a baby into bed. Add water at the top to seal your egg roll. In a pot or a deep pan, heat your oil to 375 and fry until crispy and golden. Remove and let them cool. For the sauce, peel your knob of ginger, grate your ginger over a microplane, drizzle your honey in, and then add in your miso. Mix until fully combined and add it into a container. Plate and serve. And that is beautiful. Hot, crispy, and spicy. You just made buffalo egg rolls. Our second dish is a loaded baked potato. Instead of bacon, we got chassis or Chinese roasted pork, and we have all the classic goodies in there. We have butter, we have cheese, and to top it off, we're gonna go with a gochujang sesame glaze. For the gochujang sesame glaze, we have gochujang paste, our sesame sauce or sesame oil, our vinegar, and some sugar. Let's get started. With a fork, poke your potatoes all around, and then wrap with aluminum foil. These go into an oven set at 400 degrees and let it go for 1 hour. While we wait for our potatoes to bake, we'll get our toppings together. Slice your green onions and make sure to separate between the whites and the grains. Next, slice and dice your roast pork and set them aside. For our sauce, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of gochujang, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a tablespoon of vinegar, with a half tablespoon of sugar. Mix all together until you get a smooth mixture. After 1 hour, take a knife and cut right down the middle of that potato. And with a fork, fluff up the insides. While it's still hot, add in your butter and your green onions. And fluff that together too. Place your roast pork on top of the potatoes. Then garnish with your green onions. Top with shredded cheese. And drizzle on top the gochujang glaze for the nice bit of kick. And look at that. You just made a loaded baked potato with gochujang and roasted pork. And lastly, we gotta cater to the veggie lovers, guys. We're making a fried zucchini dish. With it, we have our zucchini. We're gonna fry it in some flour and some potato starch. We have vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, red chili pepper, and sesame seeds for our soy sauce vinaigrette that we're gonna be dipping this into later. Don't worry, guys, we're almost there. It's almost game time. Into a mixing bowl, we're going to go in with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 heaping teaspoons of potato starch, and a half cup of water. With a whisk, stir until thoroughly combined. Next, we're going to get started on our sauce. Mix together a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a teaspoon of sugar. Throw in some sesame seeds and red chili flakes until your desired spiciness. Chop up some green onions and add that into your bowl. Stir and combine, and you have a spicy soy sauce vinaigrette. With our zucchini, chop off the ends and slice into medallions. Coat them with flour, dunk them into your mixture, and fry in a frying pan. Flip them over when they're golden brown. Plate and serve. And there you have an easy vegetarian dish with a spicy soy sauce vinaigrette for all your veggie lovers. And that's 3 easy recipes to make this Super Bowl Sunday. Remember, guys, to support the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know, who are you rooting for the Super Bowl this year?